Hello guys, welcome to RandomFandom and welcome to the hashtag 5 to 500 challenge. The premise is pretty simple. You start with $5 and you buy items and flip them until you have $500. Now the reason why I'm doing this challenge is to show you guys that with a little bit of money you can make a lot of money. You don't need to have a lot of money in order to start a little business of your own to make money. So yeah, and also another reason is to help me get money to make the quality of my channel better. Because as you can see right now, this video looks fairly grainy and all. The reason that is because I'm using my lackluster laptop webcam to record this video. I don't have a professional video camera to use. I could use my phone, but that's being used for something else right now. And actually, it would still be grainy too, because the Razer phone, the camera is fairly decent, but it could be better. And my other phones, well, they're just older, so of course they're gonna have lesser good quality cameras. And not only that, phone cameras typically don't do so well in low light. So yeah, this challenge is being put on for two purposes. To make a video to show you guys that you can make money with a little bit, and also to support my channel. So what I've done here, I've already started the challenge. I spent part of the $5 on this challenge. So as you can see, I bought 4 shirts for 30 cents. The top 2 items on this list are things to help improve my setup for my channel. But yeah, so here's an example of one of the 4 shirts that I bought. They're all like this shirt. There is men's medium shirt. They're polo shirts. They're 100% cotton and they're medium thickness. The collar has a nice pattern to it and all. Now it doesn't show in the camera, but yeah, this camera's not too great. The pictures on eBay would show that better. There'll be a link in this description if you want to buy this shirt on eBay or bid on it. You can do that. You can also support my channel by donating to my Patreon, which in turn gives me money and I can buy better stuff. You can also buy my merch. I make a little bit of money off of that, and part of the money goes to Spreadshirt for the material costs of the shirts or whatever you buy. I have stuff on there for you, your pet chihuahua, whatever. There's got dog bandanas, there's got shirts, there's got water bottles, there's got buttons that you can attach to your backpack. There's all sorts of stuff on there. I have a link to that in the description. You can also donate to me by PayPal. I'll put a link for you to do it that way as well in the description. But yeah, there's multiple ways you can support my channel by giving money. But even if you can't give money, you can support my channel by subscribing and hitting the notification bell. That will increase my subscriber count and help notify you whenever I upload a new video. And also, when you watch my videos, it increases my watch time. And by increasing my watch time and increasing my subscribers, I then may reach that point required by YouTube to where I can re-enable monetization on my channel as a whole, so then I can have ads. But either way, YouTube is going to put ads on my channel, whether I put them there or not. It's just the difference of me getting part of that money from the ads to help improve my channel, or YouTube getting all of it. Of course, it would be good for me to get some of it, right? This, if I'm going to be doing this, it'd be good to help increase my channel quality and also my living. I have to eat, so eventually I have to move out of my parents' house. But yeah, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and until next time, peace. Also, yeah, again, back. So we're not quite done yet, are we? I'll show you guys an app or two that you can use to make money as well. SlideJoy, every 2,040 credits, carats that you get, you can go redeem it for PayPal, $2. You get 100 carats for every 500 that you guys earn. So, and I think also you get that too when I earn 500, but I'm not sure there. But either way, that will help you get money, and it helps me get money so I can buy stuff. So that's SlideJoy. And the other app is called S'more. It won't focus, I don't think, but you can redeem for gift cards. Now, SlideJoy can also redeem for gift cards, but I suggest using PayPal because while it might cost a little more, PayPal is more flexible than an Amazon gift card. It's pretty obvious there. Yeah. On here, I get the Amazon gift card because that's the minimum for it is 100 points. You get 10 points every day just by using the lock screen. So every 10 days you get $1. So it's actually not that bad. This one will earn you money much faster than SlideJoy. That's one thing I'll say for sure. Now, SlideJoy, for me, it's been unreliable payout. So, like, sometimes, what I mean by unreliable is, like, it's not that it doesn't pay, it's just it doesn't pay consistently. So, like, sometimes I got paid $2 every month for, like, I think, maybe. But then sometimes I had, like, a month or two of a gap between payout, but either way, the $2 goes to help. And as a bonus, if you want Google Play rewards, money that you can go buy apps on Google Play if you have an Android device, get Google Opinion rewards. Now, there's no referral code for that, but if you sign up for that, it'll send you a short survey, and the first one is for $1. It may take you a while, but if you have GPS turned on and location settings and all that, your device will then tell Google where you went and all, and then Google will ask like questions like, so like, when was the last time you visited Walmart, for example, and did you make a payment? And then after you answer those two questions, then it gives you, whatever amount of money. And eventually that adds up, and actually over time I've gotten actually quite a bit of money off of that. So I've been able to buy like and subscribe, share this video with your friends, hit the notification bell, and peace.